My business ventures are failing. Over the last 2 weeks, I flew out of the country to spend some time visiting Germany, and let's just say my side hustle ventures missed my presence. I initially planned on having a friend take care of servicing the vending machines and managing the Turo fleet, but I only asked him like 2 days before I left, and it turns out he ended up also being on vacation while I was. So in the last 2 weeks, essentially nothing got done, and in this video, we are going to get the businesses back on track, talk about potentially selling vending machine locations, and hopefully by the end of this video, expand the businesses in some form.
And the first thing we have to do to start the day is pick up a Turo car from the airport. The Nissan Sentra came back from a trip on Turo all the way on July 25th. And as I'm filming this right now, it's currently August 7th. So the car's been sitting at the airport for well over a week, and the lot it's parked in is definitely not cheap. So on that note, I just booked an Uber for $14.74 to the airport, and it's gonna be here within 15 minutes.
I'm going to the parking lot, like by the airport. No, I'm just picking up like a Turo car.
And luckily, the ride to the airport only takes about 5 minutes.
You too.
We just made it to the airport parking lot. Now we gotta find where the Nissan Sentra is parked. The customer said that it's parked in row 4, 9 down, but it's kind of funny because at this airport lot, the rows are labeled A, B, C, D, E, and F. So I'm guessing by row 4, he means row D. And I think right there is where the Nissan Sentra is parked. So let's go ahead and check to see if this is the car. I think it is, guys, because you can see the lockbox is right here on the window. It's funny. The window has been cracked for like 10 days as the car's been parked in the lot. So I'm happy no one stole the car because this code is pretty easy to guess, but hey, we still got good people in the world. We're gonna go ahead and unlock the vehicle now. And opening up the Nissan Sentra, you guys can see the car was left in pretty awesome condition. I've had no problems with renters whatsoever lately. Like every guest returns the car where it's basically perfect. Even turning on the car, you guys can see the renter left me with a full tank of gas, 20,181 miles on the odometer, and it seems that they're averaging about 30 miles per gallon. The only thing that's kind of gonna suck is the payment required when we leave this parking lot. The car's been parked here for like many days at this point, and the cost is $18 per 24 hours. So I'm expecting to pay a pretty fat bill. For the first time in 2 weeks, we're whipping the Sentra, baby. I am super interested to see how much this parking is gonna cost us. Leave your guesses in the comments. I don't think it's gonna be cheap. $242 for 13 days, 3 hours, and 38 minutes of parking. Thank you for your business. Okay, the car is now free, ready to be able to make money again. I can tell you that last trip was an L. We definitely spent more on parking than we even made from the trip. On the bright side though, we are now back in town, and once I get the fleet back up and running, we're gonna be profitable again in no time, and that $242 we just lost will just be a drop in the bucket. But on my way home, I drove the Nissan Sentra to Sam's Club since I had to buy bulk snacks and drinks to fill up one of the vending machine locations. The cost totaled $242.24, and then I got to work filling the car, never forgetting to return my car.
Weed skeep wheedly deep doop Agent Cameron here with the Carton Arcs.
Now that the car is officially loaded with all the snacks and drinks we purchased from Sam's Club, it is currently 11:36 a.m. in the morning, and today at 2:30 p.m. we have a trip on the Nissan Sentra. So we've got to quickly go to one of the vending machine locations, fill up the machine after 2 weeks, collect the cash, and this car will be rented out on a trip earning us $99 for 2 days. In the 2.5 weeks since I last collected and restocked this location, you guys could see it's completely sold out. So let's start restocking.
This vending machine started off basically fully empty, and restocking all the drinks and then the snacks took me about 20 minutes.
Now that we've got the vending machine fully restocked from top to bottom, we're gonna go ahead and collect the cash. I'm expecting to see a pretty solid stack in the bill acceptor. So on that note, let's go ahead and take it off. Excuse that beeping sound, but now let's open it up, and boom, you guys can see we got a real impressive stack of cash. Oh man, it's always hard to take out with one hand, but whew, look at that, guys. On top of all the bills we've collected, we've also got quite a bit of change. So let's go ahead and take this bucket out of the machine. And now let's dump it out. That beeping is really annoying. Leave your guesses in the comments how much this is.
The total vending machine collection for this location in 2.5 weeks between cash, credit card sales, and change came out to $190 at a 50% profit margin. But now that we're back at the house, the Subaru Outback just got a rental booking starting today, lasting for 2 days, earning us $142.32. But before we talk about selling one of my vending machine locations to buy another Turo car, this video is sponsored by Melio. For people like myself who run a small or or medium-sized business, this is my favorite platform to use to pay or get paid online easily. Here's a look at my Melio dashboard. You guys can see in one tab, I have all the vendors listed that I pay out money to monthly. And using Melio's advanced tools, you can schedule payments for dates in the future or set them up to recur monthly. This really helps maximize efficiency in your business by making sure you're never late on a payment.
And Melio can also help you maximize cash flow when making payments, since you can pay with a credit card, even for vendors that don't accept them. This allows you to defer expenses while avoiding late payment penalties that vendors typically charge. And paying with a credit card allows you to take advantage of the cashback rewards they typically offer. And on top of all of that, with Melio, you can also send payments internationally.
Melio is also great when it comes to invoicing people. You can easily issue and send invoices through Melio, and it provides a faster way to get paid since it offers business customers more payment flexibility. They can choose how to pay you by card or ACH bank transfer, and it takes just a few clicks to make a payment. And to receive payments or pay your invoices, the other person doesn't need to be a Melio user. I've been using Melio for months now, and it's seriously been a huge help to my business finances, since everything can be easily linked up with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, which has been a huge help to me personally. So start using Melio's powerful tools to boost efficiency in your business. Click the link below and sign up for free. Now let's get into the financials on why I probably have to sell vending machine locations.
It's been about a week since we last collected from the apartment complex vending machine, and you guys can see it's decently sold out, especially the drinks down here. And let me tell you, combo machines sell out super fast, so if you have a really busy location, a combo machine probably isn't best. Now without further ado, let's restock this machine. Running a vending machine business takes about 2 hours per week per location, between buying all the snacks and drinks, loading and unloading your car, driving to the location, and servicing the machine. Is it really worth it? Well, that depends on the hourly rate you're trying to get. From this location, for example, I'm collecting about $100 per week, which is about $50 in weekly profit or $25 an hour for my time. But on that note, it's time to do this week's money collection by going over to this section, opening it up, and then when we see the bill acceptor right here, pressing on this yellow button and taking the bill acceptor off. Now let's see how much cash we have inside. Oh man, guys, we got a real nice stack of cash. I already see some fives in there. Now let's go ahead and pull this money out. On top of all these bills, I'm sure we've also got a decent amount of change. So let's go over to this change section and take it out. We got a pretty nice amount of quarters and dimes. So let's go ahead and dump it out. Oh my gosh. And after counting up all the cash and change, we have $85.65. But don't forget credit card and Apple Pay sales, which in the last week were $39. So that brings total revenue for the week to $125.65, or about $31 per hour in profit. That's not bad, but honestly, my Turo fleet has been giving me a better return. So if we can sell this location and use that money for another Turo car, I think it'll be worth it.
Before I left the location, I made sure to clean up the machine as much as possible and take some good photos of it, because this combo machine on location is currently listed for sale for $4,000. I paid $3,000 for this machine over a year ago, and so far it's generated over $5,000 in product sales at a 50% profit margin, meaning we've made about $2,500 back so far. And if we sell the location for $4,000, that'll put us at $3,500 in profit.
With vending machine location number 1 now listed for sale, it's time to head over to the school vending machine location. And as you guys can see, when I open up the Sentra, you can see the car is fully loaded with snacks and drinks. And now heading inside the whip, we've got about a 15-minute drive to the school location, and it's been about 3 months since the last time I was there, since they were on summer break. So let's start heading over there right now. And just like that, guys, we made it to the school. Now that we've made it to the school location, let's head inside the building, restock both vending machines with new snacks and drinks, and take out any old product that's expired to throw away. I'm not able to film too much at the vending machine location since the machines are literally in a teacher's lounge, but we did collect about $93 in bills from the location. Now let's quickly check up on the machines at the apartment complex, then head back home.
Back at the house now, so far the vending machines inside the school have made about $2,100 in revenue in 6 months. But on that, I've paid $525 to the school in commission, and I've spent about $800 on snacks and drinks. So the profit I've made so far is only $775. So for me to profit on location 2, I'd have to sell it for $6,200, which I highly doubt will happen. So we might as well continue operating for a bit longer.
Right now, only the apartment complex location is for sale for $4,000. And when we take a look at the sales on both locations, in the last month, we've made $361.90. Definitely not great, but it accounts for the fact that the vending machine at the apartment complex was sort of empty for the time that I was in Germany, and that the school location just opened back up today. The second the vending machine location sells, we're gonna be buying a third car to rent out on Turo, or should I say second car, because, well, last Saturday, the Subaru Outback got stolen from in front of my house. I
ended up calling the police and they came to my house, and I was honestly so shocked by what happened that I didn't even film it. But essentially what happened is I left the Subaru unlocked with the keys inside of a lockbox placed in the car's center console. And when I got home on Friday night, the car was still located in front of my house, but when I woke up the next morning on Saturday, someone must have stolen it.
The car's been missing for going on 5 days now, and I haven't heard anything. Unfortunately, I didn't have a bouncy GPS in the Subaru. I only have one in the Sentra, but luckily the Subaru is supposed to have a built-in tracker through the My Subaru app, and I tried checking it, but it keeps saying no vehicle found, so it's kind of useless. I guess all we can do now is call the police station that's been working on my case and see if they have an update.
Milwaukee Police District 6, this is Officer Morrell. How can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you guys potentially had an update on a case where my car got stolen.
What's the case number?
After giving her the case number, we had some good news.
Looks like it was recovered today, this morning.
Really? Oh my gosh, that was so random that I called. You guys found it?
District 2 found it. So they tried to call you, but they couldn't locate you. It's going to be at the City Milwaukee till lot at 3811 West Lincoln.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Oh my gosh, guys, they ended up finding the Subaru. That was so random that I called. I didn't even realize that they called me and I didn't pick up, but it seems like they found it. It's at a tow yard right now. They're releasing it free of charge. The only downside is I only have one key for the Subaru, so I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to move it yet. I just went ahead and booked an Uber to the tow lot, and it's gonna be here in about 5 minutes. I'm super interested to see if the Subaru is gonna be damaged or not. I guess all we can do is hope for the best.
5 minutes later, my Uber driver pulled up in a Hellcat.
Hi. Nice car.
38 Lincoln, right?
Yep.
I got it.
Yeah, my car got stolen, so going to pick it up.
Oh, dang. Okay,
Yeah.
I got you.
5 days it was gone. We'll see.
Nah, it's gonna be alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just made it to the tow lot, so now let's head inside and check on the Subaru.
Waiting at the tow lot is a long process, but after 2.5 hours of waiting around and proving I own the car, I was able to check the car out, and I even found the keys still inside.
Hello, license? I have the paper one because I lost my ID, but we got the car back, guys. The Subaru Outback is back on the road, guys, and it's honestly driving completely fine. Just a little bit of gas is missing. Someone just took it for a quick spin, that's all. On that note, the month of August just finished up for the Turo fleet, and we made $1,900 in bookings, or after all expenses, a little over $1,300 in profit. And we've got 2 Turo cars that are gonna be rented out once again, so the fleet is only up from here. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Drop a like if you did, and also be sure to hype this video. It's a new feature that helps us YouTubers out a lot. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.